Hey, viewers, brothers and sisters, I pay rich tribute to Amar Shahid Prasad Sin today on his Punya Tithi, Incarnation Day or death anniversary today dated 9 November 2023. अमर शहीद शत्रुघ्न प्रसाद सिंह passed away 38 years ago on 9th November 1985 at number 10 Harding Park, Patna, after a prolonged illness. Shatrughan Babu was a great freedom fighter, revolutionary, leader, MLA who represented Hisua constituency, Tekari constituency, and later he became Minister for Water Resources, Cooperative and Police Jail Department. He was a visionary leader who believed in the development of the whole society, inclusive society. He was also a great educationist. He had been secretary of the governing body of SS College, Jahanabad, Bihar. Later, he was opted secretary of the governing body of TS College, Hisua, Nevada, Bihar. During his secretaryship, he did commendable work for the inclusive society. His idea, his vision, his ideology benefited one and all in Gaya district, then Gaya district, Nevada district, and now Jahanabad district. He was a visionary leader. Let me delve into detail about life, work, and performance of Amar Shahid Shatrughan Saran Sin. Amar Shahid Shatrughan Saran Sin was born at Sindhuari under Konch police station in Gaya district in 1901. Later, after completing his primary education, he was admitted at Tekari Raj High School. He studied at Tekari Raj High School. He was a very intelligent student, very fearless young man. When the freedom movement for independence of the country got momentum, Shatrughan Babu gave up his study and he joined the extreme line of the revolutionary and freedom fighter fighting for the independence of India. He was a very daring and courageous leader. He didn't fear of the might and power of the British government, of the British Raj, who ruled over India those days. He was bold enough in the fight of the Britishers in Bihar, particularly in Old Gaya district. Amar Shahid Shatrughan Sharan Singh was sent to jail due to his revolutionary fight and a struggle for the independence of the country. For the first time in 1930, he was sent to jail for the freedom fight and for the revolution for next 6 months. In 1931, he was again sent to jail for next 6 months. Again, in 1933, Amar Shahid Shatrughan Sharan Singh was sent to jail in 1933. Lastly, he was sent to jail following his revolt, rebellion, fight, revolution against the British Raj in India in 1942 on the call of Mahatma Gandhi. Those days, Mahatma Gandhi gave a call of Quit India movement. Shatrughan Sharan Singh was sent to jail for a long period of time. He was sent to cellular jail at Andaman Nicobar Islands. Those days, the central jail of cellular central jail was called Kala Pani Ki Saja, black water punishment. It was the cruelest punishment meted out to the freedom fighters of India. It was believed that those who were awarded Kala Pani punishment, cellular jail punishment, could not come back alive. Shatrughan Saran Sen also suffered a lot of harassment, torture by the British government at cellular jail at Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Not only this, Amar Shahid Shatrughan Babu was asked to sleep on the bare floor of the cellular jail even during winter season. The winter season at cellular jail was very severe. It was severely cold. However, Amar Shahid Shatrughan Saran Sen tolerated this hard punishment. Those days, he was married to Mrs. Rajkumari Devi. Shatrughan Babu and Rajkumari Devi were young couples, newly married couples. But after marriage of the couple, Shatrughan Babu was awarded cellular jail punishment, Kala Pani punishment. Shatrughan Babu went to suffer Kala Pani punishment, black water punishment, or punishment at cellular jail, central cellular jail at Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Later, when India got independence, Shatrughan Babu became a member of the Bihar Legislative Assembly. He was elected a member from the Assembly constituency of Hisua, Nevada. Later, he was elected a member of the Legislative Assembly from Tekari, and another term from other constituency. Shatrughan Babu was made Minister for Water Resources. Later, he was made Minister for Cooperative Society, Cooperative Department, and further he was appointed Minister for Jail in Bihar government. Shatrughan Babu had rich contribution to the growth and development of the state of Bihar. He was a firebrand leader. His role during the freedom movement cannot be undermined or underestimated. He was a firebrand leader of the freedom movement. Shatrughan Babu was also a great educationist. He had great love for education. He became secretary of the governing body of SS College, Jahanabad, Swami Sahajanand College, Jahanabad. Being the secretary of the governing body of SS College, Jahanabad, he appointed deserving teachers, meritorious teachers as the lecturers, those days lecturers of SS College, Jahanabad. He also helped appoint active non-teaching staff at SS College, Jahanabad. Later, he was opted as the secretary of the governing body of TS College, Hisua, Nevada, under Magadh University, Bihar. At this college also, under his secretaryship, the governing body appointed meritorious teachers, deserving teachers, scholarly teachers. They were either the toppers of the university or first classer or excellent in the art of teaching. Shatrughan Babu had rich contribution to the growth and development of Bihar. When Jila Parishad was set up at Gaya, he became the first chairman of Jila Parishad Gaya. He also did commendable work at Jila Parishad Gaya. On 5th October 2023, a man-sized statue was erected in the honor of the great freedom fighter, leader and minister of the government of Bihar in the premises of Jila Parishad Gaya. There was a mega function organized and held at Jila Parishad Gaya on 5th October 2023. I participated in that grand function. People from all over the state and cutting across different sections of society participated in the mega event. A man-sized statue has been erected at the administrative block of TS College, Hisua, Nevada. Today, on the occasion of his 39th death anniversary or Punyatithi, rich tribute was paid to this great soul. All the teachers, non-teaching staff, and students of TS College Hisua paid rich tribute to Amar Shahid Shatrughan Sharan Sen today. They offered garlands, flowers, and petals of flower to the statue, man-sized statue of Amar Shahid Shatrughan Sharan Sen. Later, a grand memorial function was held at Deen Dayal Meeting Hall of TS College, Hisua, Nevada. I also participated in that function. Many teachers, non-teaching staff, students participated in the function. The function was held under the presidency of the professor in charge of the college, Dr. Devendra Prasad. All the teachers expressed their feelings, their opinions, their ideas, their ideologies of Amar Shahid Shatrughan Sharan Sen. Today, I pay a rich tribute to this great soul, this immortal soul, on his death anniversary. I wish that this immortal soul get immortality in the world. Thanks.